Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. And that's got that held down. I don't like this wire. And I'm going to do the rewire. I'm going to do it where I can get to it. I don't want to have to fight my way up and down a bunch of crap. Standing on my head behind the furnace. I suppose I could wait and hunt up an Allen wrench so I can get that screw off. That really seems like a waste of time. Seeing as how this is a 1 amp motor, probably can get by with some pretty small wire feeding this thing. So I'd be better off getting some high temp wire in a smaller size. I'm trying to run this solid wire. With these wire nuts. Right now, I can't feel my fingers. I think I want to change this out for 3-wire. At least something with a ground wire. This wire is old and 16.2. No ground. Needs to be changed out. Designed to have a ground on it, just didn't have one. Okay, took this apart hoping that I would find a wrench in the kit that would work, but it was a Hail Mary and pretty much a no chance Sundance. Let's put it back together again before I lose the rest of them. Oh, there we go. That was the one I was looking for. Sometimes you say, okay, I'm going to take a risk. I might just screw up this tool to the point where I can't use it anymore, but this was something I got at Harbor Freight. That's what Harbor Freight tools are for. They're supposed to be disposable. You buy these with the idea that you got to get the job done. You're probably going to wreck it. But if you wreck it, it's a Harbor Freight tool. That doesn't mean that you just say, okay, I'm not going to bother putting it back together again. Because you might find that you need this particular thing again later. There we go. A little too tight, perhaps. Yeah. There we go. Okay. $4.20. Once again, we burned up for 2 hours. But I did get the fan off the unit. I'm going to have to come up with a grommet because I want to put an outlet on this. I want to put a plug on this thing. I want to put just a plug so I can mount an outlet on the back wall, plug them in, unplug them as I need to. I'll use the square box to mount this because this is the relay that operates the fan motors. So that's what the plan is. So I'll go down to the hardware store tomorrow and get a grommet that's going to fit that and clamp a piece of 16-3 rubber covered cord with a plug on the end. I think I might have some of those down in the basement. I'll have to take a look. Because if I got them out here, I might as well say I don't have them. This is a mess and an abomination as far as working. But I'm doing the best I can with what I got. I think this fan's going to be alright though. I just have to see. I think this fan's going to be alright. We'll just have to see. I'm going to get a grommet that I can clip a 16-3 cord into and attach that so that I can Mount an outlet box on the back wall, drop a line down from the ceiling, and feed power to that. Get ready to go. Well, it's definitely cold in here, and my hands are to the point where I can't feel them anymore. So I'm going to stop filming. I'll go in the house. We'll put this together and show you tomorrow what I've been up to. Not where I wanted to be.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.